up, guys? It's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos TV. Today I'm gonna just show you guys a new part we got for the FRS. Very excited about this shit, man. So let me go ahead and show you. But before we get started, definitely be sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications, and then follow us on Instagram, Midnight Chaos LLC. So let me just say this: these, I know it's a lot of headlights out there. Some of my favorites are what I'm about to show you. And then I also like the Vlans are dope as fuck, and the Spiders. But these, you know, these are like the JDM. Actually, these are off of Series 2. One of the homies on Instagram, his name is Lifted86. Go check him out. Shout out to him, man. Got a set of clean monogram headlights. I just really like the way these look, man. They kind of got like an aggressive, frowny type of look. You know what I'm saying? With the black trim right here. LED bar, man. And these are actually HID too. So when I got them, he had a couple parts missing because he adapted his new headlights. So I took some of these parts off. So I ended up having to grab this off of eBay. This is the projector leveling system. I don't know, ballast. And I still need to get a wiring harness, you know? But yeah, man. These mugs look real good. I mean, they're practically brand new.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
So yeah, like I was saying, with these, I need to get a new wire harness, and you know, apparently you have to adapt these to the ones that's on the FRS. It's like a 6 to 8 pin conversion. So yeah, if any of you guys out there have done that shit and got some tips and tricks, hit me up, cause I suck at wiring. You know what I mean? Keep it 100 with y'all. I might even go take it to a shop.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so once it's on the car, it's gonna look sick as fuck. Man, so that's all we got for today. Like I said, very stoked about getting these on the car, man. This is like my favorite part, and you know, OEM, you really can't beat the OEM quality, so I'm looking forward to getting these on the car. So yeah, be on the lookout for the install video, and like I said, you know, any of you guys have done this before, swapped over to the base series, hit us up, because we definitely need wiring help. And other than that, man, you know, be on the lookout for new videos. Go ahead and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. We out.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.